Oh, hi dudes, how's it going? Weather's pretty rubbish, isn't it? Typical British summer. Take no notice of that bright thing in the sky. That's just there to lull you into a false sense of security. Okay, so ignore that. That's the idea, is to get you outside, get all your tools out, then it rains. And of course everything gets wet. And that's what it's all about. Right, today, quick job, rear door lock. It stopped working, so, and it's quite annoying because it's behind the driver's door. It's quite handy to pop things in, like the steering cover or the steering lock. But I can't because the door was locked. Plus, it did weird things with the alarm system. So, time for a change, I think. Anyway, enough waffle. Let's crack on. Right, door panel off first. That's not too difficult. Two screws. One more screw in there. Pop it on the floor for now. Right, this will now slide out. Pop out that little clip there. And we need to get to the plug. Like so. Now we can twizzle that. Pops out. That bit there. That's all it is. Right. Oh, right. Right, don't forget the speakers, or the tweeters on the speakers. Right, that's that bit. Two little squeezy clips, that's all. Top and bottom. Except if your fingers don't work. Right, first thing we'll try is the new one. See what happens, shall we? Because of the window frame, you can't get the lock out unless you hack a chunk out, which people do, but I'm not keen on that. Unless you can weld it back up, because you're altering the structural rigidity of the door. Right. So, out with the window frame. One there. One there. Two there. And one there. These are for the lock. And that's for the door handle which has to come out. Okay. Thought I might get away with it, but should know better. that's off. How's that? Okay. Give that a clean out. Something I've missed. Oh. Yeah, of course there's 10mm bolt. Heads. Nope, tail. You don't have to actually remove it, just get it high enough out of the way. And leave the glass in place. Didn't particularly want to take the glass out, but I haven't much choice. There's a bolt there, and the other one's hiding around there. You just have to slacken them and the thing will slide out. Now the problem is, there's a big knob on the end of this shaft, and it won't come up over this bit without taking the glass out. The glass has got to move. Right, okay. So I get to that side, but get to that. Perhaps if it goes low enough, will it go low enough? That's all pretty. There's a hole there. I wonder. I'll get to this one first. Okay, that's an 8. Be able to see, that's all. Okay. That's that one out. Right, leave that where it is, on with the lock. Nope, it's not that one. It's a lock, that's broken. Right, welcome back. One trip down to Halfords later. A new set of star screws, one nearly destroyed set of star screws. There's nothing that would shift it. So I came down to the hammer and chisel. And now all the screws are out. This is, I've got a sore throat, so this is medicinal purposes only. So we're okay. Inside the house of fun. That's the lever. From the door handle. Right, I'll just go pop that lever out to that green clip. That's all. Like so. That's that. The inside door handle. Put that lever off. Right, no, that's off. Now it'll come out. Right, so now put that back. That out. Inside there. Just unhook it from the latch. Like so. And get your new one. And you put it back. And the same. Right. Goes in there. There, that's that. Upside down. Right. There. And then that's the noise of the little lever falling off the door handle, disappearing into the bottom of the door. Of course. Okay, welcome back. Right, the little rod that goes from the handle to the lock, I've lost it. I think it's stuck somewhere down the side of the door. Anyway, can't get it out, so I've had to bodge it. I can safely say, in true maintenance principles, I've left it worse than I found it. Anyway, if time's running out, we need to crack on. Tighten these up. Got the handle one. If that's okay, that's on. That's for this one. Yeah, let's get things tightened up. Okay, I'm not looking forward to having to put the glass back in. That bolt's got to go inside there. The other one's still stuck in, that's why the glass wouldn't come out. Anyway, I'm just not an octopus. I just can't lift so many things at once. Somebody's eye up. Bloody hell, the bolt's in. And that one. Quick. Right, it's annoying. I was going to rust proof the rest of the thing, but kind of got away from me, so yeah. Due to a good man, I've got some spares anyway. These are the shortest too. Right. Let's see if the window works. Hi dudes, you're back in the room. Yes, the camera battery died, of boredom probably. Right, so I've just added this little bit for clarity. I have to apologise for not filming the whole thing as I would normally have done. But just explain that the 3 little Torx head screws that fasten the lock mechanism to the door wouldn't come out. It destroyed all my bits, so in the end I had to resort to a hammer and chisel. So got those out, job's a good one. Next thing is a little lever between the handle and the lock. Now we saw pictures of it being flicked off, but I didn't film it being reconnected. One of the reasons is A, it's difficult, B, I couldn't be bothered, and C, I kept dropping the thing. It's only a tiny little rod. I dropped it twice, found it, okay. Dropped it 3rd time, unlucky. It's disappeared. It must be in the curve of the door somewhere, because I poked it with a stick, no sign of it. That's why we ended up with the wiring bodge. And to be fair, even though it's a bodge, the door opens now better than it ever has done. So I'm okay with that. I'm all happy. At least until I can get a new rod. Right, so that's where we stand. So yes, I bodged it. It was a crap job. I made lots of mistakes, but in the end it's working well. And it works, it's opened, it locks, it opens, it closes. Job's a good one, and the handle is superb. Right, so that's that then. So I just thought that I'd have this little bit in for clarity. So I hope that helps. And oh yeah, don't forget, don't bank on the British weather. Flipping heck, it's blooming freezing. Anyway, first car show is at Utley in Keighley Rugby Club. On the 14th of this month, which is July, and it's blooming cold. What on earth is going on? Anyway, never mind all that. Global warming, bring it on. It's stuffing freezing here. Right, got to crack on. So I'll be at the show there. There's all sorts. I don't know. Frankly, I've never been before, so I hope it's good. I hope there's some tea and some toilets. When you get older, that's all you're really bothered about. Tea, toilets. If that's present, job's a good one. Anything else is a bonus. Right, so if you want to come along and see Jugs, he'll be at the show. That's a proper name for it. Can't think of it. Can't remember the name of it right now. But it's the Keighley and Skipton show, and it's at Utley, Utley. And it's a football ground, or rugby ground, or both. Not entirely sure. Find out when you get there. It's 14th of July, so it's not far off. Anyway, so we've got stuff to do before then, and hopefully, if it stops raining for long enough, we shall crack on with that back bumper. Okay, right. So drive what you want, enjoy life, don't get lost or squashed. See you in a bit.